If your Apple gift card says this code has already been redeemed, don't panic just yet. If you recently sent that gift card to someone, there's a good chance you've been caught in one of the most common scams that exist. But before we assume that's what happened, I'm going to show you how to verify where the balance went and what you should do next. Welcome back to the Fix Desk. Let's fix it. So if you're seeing this message, it simply means the gift card's balance has already been added to an Apple account. Sometimes it's because you redeemed it yourself on a different Apple account, or there's simply a delay before your account recognizes the balance was added and it updates. And I'm going to show you how to check both of those first. Start by opening your App Store and then tap your profile picture in the top right hand corner. And here you'll see your Apple account balance, if you have one, located right beneath your name. It's going to be in a smaller print. If you don't see it there, make sure you're signed in with the same Apple account that redeemed the gift card. For example, you may have redeemed it on an iPad that's signed in with one Apple account, but you're checking on your iPhone that's signed in with a completely different one. Since the balance is tied to the Apple account itself and not the device, it won't appear unless you're using the correct Apple account. So tap on your name and make sure that the account you see listed here is showing on both devices, so on your iPhone and your iPad. Once you know you're signed in with the correct Apple account and the balance still isn't showing, your next step is to try and refresh the balance. So to do that, you're going to go into your settings and then tap your name at the top. Scroll down and look for Media and Purchases and tap on it. And you'll get a few options, but you're going to hit Sign Out. Once you do, it'll ask you to confirm that you want to sign out. Go ahead and select Sign Out. And give it just a moment here before you sign back in, 30 seconds or so. And then just tap on Media and Purchases again. And it'll ask you if you want to sign in with you, and just hit Continue. And once it's signed in, we're going to check to see if our balance is still showing. So go back into the App Store and check again underneath your name. If it's listed here, great. We just need to refresh it. But if it's not, then we need to go ahead and contact Apple support and see what they can do to help us determine where the balance went. Now, if you never redeemed the gift card yourself and instead purchased it and sent the code to someone else, there's a good chance you've become the victim of an Apple gift card scam. Scammers love gift cards because they're fast, difficult to trace, and once the balance has been redeemed, it's treated like cash. They may ask you to purchase another gift card and send it to them, or a photo of the gift card. Do not do this. The moment you give that redemption code to someone, they can add the gift card to their own Apple account within seconds. And once it's been redeemed, that's when you get the message that it's already been redeemed because the balance is now attached to a different Apple account. An important note, Apple gift cards are only meant for Apple products and services like apps, games, or subscriptions. They can't be used to pay for rent, groceries, gas, or a plane ticket to come see you. If someone tells you this, it's more than likely a scam. Some of the most common involve someone pretending to be Apple support, a family member or friend in an emergency, or a romantic partner. Remember, no legitimate business, family member, or friend should ask you to purchase a gift card for anything other than buying Apple products or services. If you've already sent the code to someone, stop communicating with them immediately. Gather your receipt, the gift card packaging if you still have it, and contact Apple. Let them know that you're a victim of a gift card scam. There's no guarantee that the funds can be recovered, but they can investigate what happened and explain any options that may be available to help you recover your money. Most importantly, don't wait. The sooner you contact Apple support, the better your chances are for at least stopping the scammer from using the funds. And who knows, maybe Apple can even get the money back. I hope this video helps you figure out why your Apple gift card says it's already redeemed, and more importantly, what to do next. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the Fix Desk. I post simple Apple solutions and new videos every week to help you get the most out of your Apple devices. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you next time.